Hands up in the air like you just don't care. All right. Mustafa.
Yeah.
What do you see
Skill
at the
for
top?
skill 41. Irregular.
Yep. Just a second. Let me see. Show. Desktop notes. There we go. Yep. Skill 41. Recognize irregular plurals. Do you know what does that mean? Do you know the meaning of this word?
Regular and regular verb.
No, this word, this one.
To know.
When you see and know, okay? See and know, it's recognized. Now, what is this? What is that? Irregular. What is the meaning of irregular? It's not verb. It's not verb.
Not usual.
Just irregular.
The opposite of regular, right? But what is the meaning of regular? What does that mean? Regular. No. Regular is normal, right? All right. So what is regular plural, gentlemen? What is a regular plural? A regular plural noun. How do you make it? How do you make a noun plural normally?
With S.
Exactly. Either S or
ES.
ES. S or ES. Do you understand, gentlemen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That is a regular plural. Just add S or ES. Okay? All right. So let's read this, please. Amjad. Many
nouns in English have irregular plural.
So if it's irregular, then it's something you have to learn it. You have to learn it because it doesn't follow the rule, right? You have to learn it separately, like a special case, right? It's irregular. Continue. Abdul Majid, you read.
Which one?
Here, irregular.
Irregular forms that are the most problematic are plural forms that do not end in S.
Yeah. So in the TOEFL exam, they like to use irregular, everything irregular. They like using special cases. This is why you have to learn the special cases, right? Now, before you learn the special case, before that, you must understand the basic rule. After you understand the basic rule, then you study all of the special cases. Do you understand? All right, Mohanna, example.
Yes, different criteria was used to evaluate the performance.
Criteria. Different criteria was used to evaluate the performers. Now, obviously, everyone, you can see there's a problem. Well, maybe it's not obvious, but except the book shows you this little star. It's called an asterisk. That means there's a problem. Now, if you don't study the special cases, then you don't know the problem. You don't know the problem if you don't study the special cases. Okay? So can anybody guess the problem here?
Maybe it's plural. So where maybe we should.
Correct. this word is not singular. It's not singular. This word is plural. But teacher, where is the S?
Special case.
I told you, we must learn the special cases. There is no S. There is no S here, okay? So the problem, we must change, we must match. You must match the verb. Should plural subject takes a plural verb. Got it? Yeah? So
Yes.
it should be, instead of was used, we need were used. Is that clear, gentlemen?
Yes, doctor, I have a question.
Yes?
Do we have to memorize it or?
Well, if you memorize all the irregular plurals one by one, that's difficult. But you're in luck. You can just learn 6 formulas. 6 formulas. And if you know the formulas, these 6 formulas, then it's easier to remember the irregular plurals. You understand?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so let's start with the first formula. Okay, Abdulaziz, you want to give us the first formula? What's the, well, before you read that, what does it say at the top of the chart? Abdulaziz.
Irregular plurals.
Yeah, and then notice I put a little message here. You see the message I put?
Yes.
What does it say?
On the left singular, the right plural.
Yeah. So in the examples down here, left, right, right? On the left, guys, singular. And on the right, what is it? On the right,
Plural.
on the right, plural. Singular, plural. Do you understand? Look, I even put a dot here. One, because it's singular,
Two.
right? And I put 2 dots because it's plural. Do you understand? So Abdulaziz,
Yeah.
what is the first formula? Tell us.
Vowel change.
Oh, what's that?
The 5 letters.
Good. What are they?
A, E, I, O, and U.
Exactly. These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So Saleh, do the first on the first 2 examples.
Man, men.
And then?
Woman, woman.
Good.
Woman, woman.
Woman, women. Okay. All right, then Mustafa. Do the next one.
Feet. Foot. Feet.
Foot, feet, and
Tooth. Teeth.
good. Amjad.
Mouse, mice.
Up.
Goose, geese. I think.
Good. Goose, geese, and then
Mouse, mice.
good. Mouse and mice. Okay. All right, and then let's see. Abdul Majid, what's the second formula?
For mice, for the word mice.
Formula
sorry.
2. Formula
Sorry.
2.
Okay. Add en.
Good. So begin.
Child. Children.
Good. And then
Oxen.
good. Okay. And your next question is, teacher, what is oxen? Oxen is like bull, you know, Red Bull, you know, the drink.
Yes.
Bull. Yeah. Okay. So oxen is the plural for ox. Ox is a bull, right? It's like they have different kinds, but this is a bull, okay? Ox and oxen. Okay, next one, Mohanna, Formula 3.
Same as singular. Deer, deer. Fish,
Deer, and then
fish,
fish. Oh, did you know that it's 1 fish or 10 fish, 100 fish, 1,000 fish? Never put an S or ES. Okay. All right. Let's see. Saleh.
Salmon, salmon.
Yeah. No S, right? And then,
Sheep, sheep.
oh, did you know that? 1 sheep, 1,000 sheep. If you put an S, you lose
No.
marks in TOEFL. Okay. All right, Abdulaziz.
Trout. Trout.
Trout. Yeah, trout is a kind of fish. Actually, all of these are, well, this is fish, salmon, and trout is also fish. Now, I want you to look here, guys. What does that say? Ali Al-Husseini?
Shrimp, shrimp.
Shrimp. This is different in the UK. In the UK, they use an S. Okay, in the UK, they say shrimp and shrimps. Do you understand?
Yes.
In America, we say shrimp. No S. No S. Just the same way we do fish. Fish. Salmon. Trout. Shrimp. Why do the British have to make everything complicated? For us, if it's in the ocean, most things, it's irregular plural. Fish, salmon, trout, shrimp. But the British have to make it complicated, right?
Formula 3.
Fish, salmon, trout, but shrimps. Mafi Maduki. Anyway.
Hello, Doctor.
Huh?
I have a question, Doctor.
Yeah.
Is Formula 3 only considered for animal or?
Mainly animals. It's mainly animals. Notice all of these are animals, right? In fact, I'll show you one more that I know that I can think of right now. It's called moose. Moose. These are big animals in Canada. Big animals in Canada. Moose. Okay. Yeah, they're mostly animals. Okay. Let's see. Mustafa.
Yeah.
Formula 4.
Formula 4. S to ES.
Wait. There's an I. You see the I?
Oh, IS to ES.
Yeah, but now, do you know how to say it, guys? This is how we speak it. Look how we speak it here. Can you see that, Mustafa?
The screen is froze. I don't know. Oh. S size.
Sis. Like, you know,
Sis.
when you say sister, right? Sister, right?
Okay.
So the
Sister.
sound is. The same as sis. And then
Isai.
no. The opposite of hard. What's the opposite of hard?
Easy.
There you go. Ease. Do you hear the difference?
Yeah.
Right?
Sis.
Is, and ease.
Yeah.
Sis and ease. Do you hear the difference, guys? Okay. All right. So try the first one, Amjad. Do the first one.
Analysis.
Cis, right? Analysis. And then
Analysis. Analysis.
sees. Sees. Right? Analyses. Okay? All right, Abdul Majid, try the next one.
Axis.
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 And
Axis.
axes. Good.
Axes.
Mohana, try the next one. Mohana.
Crisis.
Yeah.
Crisis.
Excellent. Abdulaziz, next one.
Diagnosis.
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 Diagnoses. You don't
Sees.
look, how do you say your name? Do you say Abdulaziz? Is your name
No.
Abdulaziz
No.
or Abdulaziz? Which is it?
Abdulaziz.
Is Abdulaziz or Abdulaziz?
Abdulaziz.
There you go. So diagnoses, it's just like your name. Diagnoses, Abdulaziz. Just like your name. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do the next one, Saleh.
Hypothesis. Hypotheses.
Good. Ali Al-Husseini.
Parentheses.
Excellent. Well done. Okay. Matham.
Synthesis.
Mustafa.
Thesis.
Thesis. Thesis. Like your sister. Thesis. Theses. Okay.
Thesis.
Now, you see, the word parentheses means this, round brackets. In the UK, they say round brackets. But in TOEFL, you can see this in TOEFL, by the way. You can see the word parentheses in TOEFL, okay? All right, round brackets. We say parentheses, okay? Amjad, Formula 5.
Ends and A.
Okay? Example?
Bacterium.
Bacterium,
Bacteria.
bacteria, and curriculum,
Sacralium. Sacralia.
curricula. Yeah, Abdul Majid.
Datum. Data.
Data. Some people say data, some say data, some data. And then
Phenomenon.
phenomenon,
Phenomena.
phenomena. Yeah, phenomena. And then Mohana.
Criterion.
Yep.
Criteria.
Criteria. Good. All right. And then what is the next formula, Mohana?
US to I.
Yeah, we changed US, we changed it to I. Okay. So example, Abdulaziz.
Alminas.
Yep.
Almina.
Say it like I, just add I to the end. The sound I, like I, just add the word I to the end. So you say alumni.
Alumni.
Alumni. Do another one. Bacillus.
Bacillus. Bacilli.
And one more. Cactus.
Cactus.
And
Cacti.
cacti. Saleh.
Fungus.
Yep.
Fungi.
Guy.
Nip.
Say guy.
Fungi.
Fungi. And then?
Nucleus.
Yeah, you guys have to learn. You guys have to learn science and biology, right? So you have to know this. Nucleus.
Nuclei.
Nuclei. Try again.
Nuclei.
There you go. And then, oh, so you have to learn math. So what's this one?
Radius.
Radius and
Radii.
Radii. It's radii. Do you understand?
Radii. Yes.
Yeah. Ali Al Husseini.
Stimulus, stimuli.
Good. And hurry.
Syllabus and syllabi.
Syllabi. Okay. Now, everybody look at the bottom. There is one special formula here. Do you see the special formula? Yeah? Mustafa,
Yes.
what's the special
Person.
formula?
Special formula, person, people.
Person and people. One person, 10 people. Okay?
When I say people, where? It's correct?
Yes,
People,
it's irregular. Okay, it's just irregular. We say 10 people, 20 people, 30 people. It's irregular, but it's a special formula. Only one word, just this word only. Person, people. Do you understand? Yeah? Okay. Now, I will do this exercise. This one, I will do this exercise tomorrow. But right now, let's do just a little bit from Appendix H. Appendix H, okay? So Appendix H, I think, what page would that be? 420 maybe? Let's see. No. Oh, no, it's 500. 5 something. 530 maybe? Yeah. Next. There we go. Appendix H.
Excuse me, Mr. H, I have to go.
Sure, no problem. You know what? I'm gonna skip H1 because it's finished. So we're gonna do H2. You see how to do it though? Why is there an I here?
That's not correct.
Yeah. Can I say one man?
One man.
Should be one man. Do you understand? Goodbye, Asim. So let's try H2. We'll just do a couple of them, and then we'll do these here, and then we'll finish the exercise tomorrow. Okay. So Amjad, what do you think about the first one?
What type of fungus?
Fungus. Is it correct?
I think yes.
Okay. You just lost marks in TOEFL. How do I know? Because you have to learn the formula. So let's see. Let's see if I can find the formula.
Types of fungi.
Red TOEFL, red TOEFL. Does anybody, what was the page number? Do you remember? 180 something? Yeah, too far. You have to remember the formulas. You have to remember the formulas so that you can answer the exercise. Okay. So we'll put them side by side. See the formulas, gentlemen? Yeah. All right. So instead of both types of fungus, what should it be? Instead of both types of fungus.
Fungi or fungi?
Should be fungi. Okay.
Okay.
So Both types of fungi. Okay. All right. Try one, Abdul Majid. Number 2.
Mr. Chair, I'm gonna go. Okay, I have to.
Sure. Abdul Majid, you want to try number 2?
A new curricula.
What do you think?
I think it's
Is it
correct.
a new curricula? Sorry. Oh, no, you're right. You're right. Because is singular. Curricula is singular. It is correct. Abdulaziz Al-Harbi, you want to try the number 3?
Yes. 2 large foot. It's incorrect. The correct one is 2 large feet.
Exactly. Double ET. 2 large feet. Okay. Abdul Majid, you want to do the next one?
A new bacteria. It's correct.
Yeah, that's correct. New bacteria is correct. No.
Wrong.
Sorry. You lost marks
Bacterium.
on the
Bacterium.
test. Yeah.
Bacterium.
Should be bacterium. Okay, singular. Abdulaziz, how about number 5?
One terrible crisis. Criticize, I think, is incorrect. Crises. We deleted that.
No, you just lost marks on TOEFL. Look.
One terrible. Okay.
Yeah, 1. Singular, right? Okay. Yeah. Try another one, Abdulaziz.
A big fat salmon. That's correct.
Good. Do another one.
Many kinds of how can I read it?
Stimuli.
Stimuli. Yeah, I think it's correct. Many kinds of.
Yeah, it is. Okay. And what about the last one? Abdul Majid.
1 tiny mouse. Correct, I think.
Yeah. So all of these are correct here from 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 5. Look, crisis, singular, right? Singular. Right? How do we know it's singular? 1.
Appendix.
How about the second? How do we know? Singular. How do we know this is plural?
Many kinds.
Many. Right? And the last one, how do we know it's singular?
1.
Okay. Do you understand, gentlemen?
Yes, I understood.
All right. So tomorrow we'll finish this exercise and then we'll do exercise 41. Okay?
Okay.
That's all for today, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Take care.
You're welcome. Bye.